Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best litter box for cats. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Neocasa M1 Open Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The Neocasa M1 Open Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is one of the most outstanding litter boxes currently on the market. As its name suggests, the box comes with an out-of-the-box pull and wrap self-cleaning feature that guarantees your cat a fresh and clean environment. The Neocasa litter box has an open-top design, offering a spacious, stress-free environment that cultivates a cat's natural behavior. Unlike other self-cleaning litter boxes, the Neocasa M1 model is built with a huge waste capacity, capable of keeping the box operating for a fortnight without a need to dispose of the waste. When paired with the Neocasa app, the litter box's sensors can detect all cat activities and relay the info to the app for monitoring. The sensors also enhance safety by pausing operation whenever they detect contact or cat activity. PetSafe Scoop-Free Crystal Pro Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The PetSafe Scoop-Free Crystal Pro Self-Cleaning Litter Box is another efficient product worth considering. Besides the self-cleaning feature, the product uses crystal litter for odor control, neutralizing waste odors while ensuring a dust-free environment. Its disposable litter tray is lined with plastic for leak protection, keeping your floors clean and free of leak stains. Other than functioning as a litter box, the PetSafe litter box supports cat health monitoring through its motion sensors. This feature offers an early insight into your pet's health by assessing trends and change in litter box usage. City Life Stainless Steel Cat Litter Box. Unlike other currently leading cat litter boxes in the market, the City Life Stainless Steel Cat Litter Box does not support self-cleaning mechanisms, but compensates for this shortcoming with other unique features. These include a double-door design for easy access when cleaning litter and a 3-part detachable design for different use cases, according to your cat's preferences. These designs allow the litter box to be used as an open, enclosed, or semi-enclosed system. Its stainless steel parts with non-stick properties guarantee durability, appreciating your money's value. Which one is the best? The Neocasa M1 Open Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is the best option due to its unmatched functionality. Also, its ability to work for weeks without requiring human intervention to dispose of the waste distinguishes it from its competitors. Thanks for watching.